As summer heat is on the rise, so too is humidity and pollution levels, causing dust mites, mold, and allergens to thrive. Meet Irby Air, an innovative all-in-one dehumidifier and air purifier that regulates humidity and cleans the air of pollutants through its eco-friendly biofiltration process. Using its powerful yet discreet fans, Irby circulates the air in the room, amplifying the plant's microorganisms' ability to break down more pollutants into safer compounds. Also, excess humidity is extracted from the air, which is cleverly used to water your plant when it is thirsty. What's more, it eliminates the invisible dust mites and mold particles around you, creating healthier, fresher air that's safer for you and your family. We hid all of this amazing technology in one of the most natural, easy to care for displays possible. Irby can store up to 3 liters of water with a built-in drainage system and is equipped with smart sensors connected to an app that keeps track of pollution, temperature, and humidity levels. We've also added LED mood-adjusting lights, which allows you to create a warm, welcoming ambiance anywhere in your home.
My goal is to encourage everyone to plant more and to bridge the connection between nature and the urban world. Imagine, with all the pollution outdoors, indoor air pollution can be 5 times more toxic, and that's according to the World Health Organization. As a passionate architect and a product designer, I wanted to create something that is similar in how nature purifies its own air. It took around 2 years to make Irby sustainable and energy efficient, with a unique decorative design. We have our final prototype and suppliers ready, so with your backing, we will be ready to go for production and make Irby a reality.